Each drop that falls, it speaks of love. I'm lost in the sound of it. Such warmth within the downpour's hug. Each whisper holds a promise lit by moon's soft glow. It's known. Time and time the raindrops plead with me. On the wren the crumbled sun me. Underneath the willow tree I hear the rainfall symphony. Droplets play a melody, soothing like your love for me. With every drop that graces skin, it's like a tender kiss within. Each shining on quiet streets, a tranquil scene, the misty air and night serene, the rhythm soft beneath the sky, a lullaby where dreams can fly. Velvet whispers of the night, in the rain love feels so right. Slowly the world's hushed and full of grace. Our hearts beat in liquid pace, a tranquil dance, a soft embrace. Each droplet speaks its love's own lace. In this downpour I find my space. Beside you here, the perfect place. The pitter-patter tells our tale. In rhythmic beats our love sets sail. Twined in a storm we share one heart. In raindrops touch we're never apart. Rain's soft serenade fills the air. In each drizzle I find your care.